Good morning, everybody. It gives me a great honour to welcome you all today to the UAE National Day Assembly to share with you the 49th anniversary celebration and the spirit of the Union. As a start, may I ask you all please to stand up for the national anthem.
A long time ago, in a sandy desert in the Arabian Gulf, a proud and resourceful people called the Bedouin lived.
Their main jobs were camel herding, farming of dates, building ships, fishing and diving for pearls.
Their houses were built from palm fronds and leaves, and some of them lived in tents.
They shared the same language, religion, history and tradition, but the only thing that separated them was borders.
Two heroes came with a dream of building a thriving, vibrant nation, a nation with a dizzying record of achievements and prosperity.
One day, our heroes met and had a discussion about their dream and their plans to achieve it. They decided to call 9 rulers for a meeting. Only 6 of them agreed and joined the union. Sharjah, Fujairah, Abu Dhabi, Dubai, Al Quain, and Ashman.
Our two heroes faced lots of difficulties, but that did not stop them from achieving their dream because they believed strongly in it. They knew it was for the good of their people and would give them all a happier life and a better future.
So on the 2nd of December 1971, the United Arab Emirates was born. His Highness Sheikh Zayed was elected a new president, with Sheikh Rashid bin Zayed Al Maktoum his Prime Minister. 2 months later, Russell came and joined the Union.
Today we live in one of the most developed countries of the world. We are living the dream of our heroes.
شعبها وسرها، واجمل تلاحم بحرها مع برها، وشيوخها اللي للسحاب تجرها، في حبها من حقها نرزف لها، كلها نضرب بها أجمل مثل ونفلها، الله يحفظها ونبقى بظلها، نوقف لها كلنا لها نرزف لها، نرزف من حبها، نرزف لها، نرزف في عيدها، نرزف نفرح بها، نرزف لها، نرزف من حبها، نرزف لها، نرزف في عيدها، نرزف نفرح بها، نرزف لها. عشق ومحبة شعبها وسرها، واجمل تلاحم بحرها مع برها، وشيوخها اللي للسحاب تجرها، في حبها من حقها نرزف لها.
يا بلادي يا بلادي يا بلادي celebration all around in every nation shot to your drop you can ride on the yachts anything that you want it's like heaven yeah freedom yeah give you something to believe in yeah bright golden sands and our beautiful lands we're hand in hand proudly we stand yeah proudly we ya biladi ya biladi ya biladi long live our people we are united we fly together yalla everybody oh, here we are united.
Happy National Day! عيد وطني سعيد.
عيد وطني سعيد.
عيد وطني سعيد.
Hello everyone, Happy National Day!
عيد وطني سعيد. عيد وطني سعيد. عيد وطني سعيد.
Happy National Day.
عيد وطني سعيد.
عيد وطني سعيد.
I would like to take this opportunity to wish the whole of the Foremark community a very happy National Day.
I'd like to say a very happy National Day to the whole of the Foremark community.